Guys, welcome back to our channel. Fawaz Hassan. I hope you are fine and very good in your homes, cause it's Scratch here and tutorials part 2. Before starting, we are starting anything else. I'm going to share that I have shared the link of the Scratch in the description below. You can do the Scratch and do as much as you want. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to main focus is on two of these buttons, this one and this one. You shall know what we are going to do. Okay, so start off, revise our last lecture. This sprite, this is the sprite name, sprite 1. We can also change its number. I think cat will be a very good option. Also cat, or is x value the horizontal left to right, and the y value from up to down, show, no show, hide and show, exactly size and direction. Okay, and there are many sprites known, characters known as sprites in our Scratch. Okay, but you may notice, like that, it's having a very plain backdrop, a background there. It's very boring to have something like that, and it's not very efficient, or not very good to our eyes. But we can make this a bit efficient, or made a bit accurate by touching this button, backdrop. In this button we can search a backdrop there, choose a backdrop, paint a backdrop, surprise random backdrop, and if you have any backdrop in your computer or laptop or anything else, you can upload it too. By the way, I have no backdrop, so I can choose it. Okay, so will choose it, and there are about a variety of backdrop: all fantasy, music, sports, outdoors, indoor, space, underwater, and patrons. I think I will, there are many options though. I think, yeah, this one is a bit good, the spotlight. Yeah, spotlight backdrop. Okay, the main focus is that we usually call backgrounds, but in Scratch the particular name of the background is backdrop. So backdrop is the official name of the background in the Scratch. As you can see, it's looking a bit cooler and nicer when you add a backdrop to your stage. It makes a bit efficient and beautiful, and we can also change a sprite. I think a surprise one, you can say. Yeah, chick one, good one. I will this cat, and I think this cat should have a direction walking direction towards the chick. So left, right, and bullseye. Done. Okay, so our backdrop, the clear is section. Okay, now we are going towards the costumes. If you notice a bit the button in the costumes, if you press it, there are a variety of costumes there, and not too much, but every character or every sprite has at least one or two costumes. So this is costume 2 of the sprite cat, and if you mention on the stage, it's just looking like the cat is walking. Yeah, the cat is walking. So this, I think that this one is good. If we look at the chick one, and these have three costumes. This one and this one. And this beak is open, and this one is just closed. But if you want a variety of different costumes, then you must be looking for another one. I have experienced one. Instead of finding that, I can just search in the search button, fish. Yeah, fish. So fish one, maybe it's fish one. Yeah, this one. So it has many costumes though, 4 costumes: fish B, fish C, fish D. So fish B just looks like that, fish C looks like that, and fish D looks like that. We can also make our own, you can say, costume by clicking on this button, choose costume. And we can also paint a costume. We can also take a random costume, and you can, if you have any costume in your laptop or computer, you can just upload it to the Scratch app or the Scratch website. So for now, I just choose it, and if you see that there are also a variety of the button is similar to the sprite button, So by the way, I just I have better 3 sprites there. I don't need any costume though. We can also just change the color. For example, coming in bitmap. There are more options though. Yeah, this one. I wanted purple color. So like this. Boom. Okay, so I want to paint it. Let's see. Paint. I'm not a good painter. You can say that. Just. Oh, sorry. This one. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sorry for it. It's so embarrassing for me. Never mind though. It's the start. I can't paint very good in the computer. Overall, I'm good. Just later. I'm doing that. Okay, so this is the costume section, and this is have the fish A, fish B, fish C, and fish D. By the way, I love fish C though, and I'll choose that. Okay. If we just like a closer look after the button of the costumes, there's sound button, and this one is bubbles. Let's hear it. I hear it again. I think it's you can also, you can say, use these buttons: faster, slower, louder, softer, mute, fade in, fade out, reverse in robot. Less than the faster one. Let's do a slow one. I don't like that sound because it's it's just lacking. Let's take Ocean Way. I think it's really good. Yeah, if you take a little closer to your ears, when the capacity or when the volume is low, this thing is a bit smaller. But when the sound is high, then this thing is a bit high too. The amplitude of the sound is a bit high too. So this also represents, but there are not only these two sounds, there are a variety of sound. There choose a sound, you can see, and you can see the record sound, the surprise random one, and if you have any sound in your computer or laptop, you can also upload it. By the way, I just choose a sound. So there are many, you can say, effects, sports, voice, wiki, space, percussion, notes, and many more loops as well. And there are variety of there. Let's turn the big bong. Nothing, bird. Okay, it's not do good. I have someone, you can say, the chop one. Yeah, the chop one. Yeah, this one. An animal sound like chirp, also cricket. Yeah, and the crickets. I have another one like the goal cheer or cheer. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no. This one is a bit fascinating. I love that. And what's this? Oh, lovely. I love that. So these are all the variety sounds present there. And we can also copy this one and paste it in our any other program. So this is all about the Scratch and the basic part 2. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe, share, and like one. And please, if you love this video, please add comments below. Any queries or any question, add anything in the comments. I will be free to ask, and I'll answer that question as soon as possible. And remember that I have shared the link in the description below. And goodbye, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.